last item in our big box, our, I guess, MGA Mega Box, is the Lalaloopsy Mini. So, let's open this up and see what we got inside. I'm not expecting much from this. Hopefully at least a figure and not a furniture piece or something. So let's see what we get. It's hard to open. Come on. Come on. Alright. We've got our figure and our guide. Let's open the figure first and see what's inside. And we got a pet. I think it's the mouse from Crumb's Sugar Cookie, but I'm going to check the guide just in case. These don't really have names, mystery buttons. These don't really have names. Yeah. And it just looks like it's a regular one and not a mystery button one. So that's kind of weird. Maybe it's a mistake. I don't know. Oh well. It's okay. It's still cute. But, yeah. Nothing to write home about with this. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, and that's it for the MGA Mega Box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye now.